Going to give you a bit of a better look at the Huski mu-16 1.6 tonne 0-turn excavator. It's got fantastic work lights on it, flashing light up top. Another work light shining on the bucket. And we've got all this cover comes off. You've got access to your hydraulic tank, radiator. You can get right around everything in this. Seems really tight to work on there, but the seat slides forward, folds up, and you can get to everything on top of the engine very easily. Bit of a flimsy sort of a throttle control. Fuel gauge. Speed control, it travels very fast on the top speed. Flashing light on the roof, and you've got one switch for one part of the dip switch for the light on the boom, and then you get all lights with the roof on the second setting. Comes with a little tool kit that comes with a grease gun and whatnot. Lockable fuel cap. Press this when you want to bring your tracks in and out while using the blade control. I haven't worked this one out yet, or this one. We've got swing the boom left and right. These are to do with the piping attachments I haven't yet used. Same with on the other joystick. There's no foot controls on this machine. And you've got your basic sticks there for travelling. It's very easy to maintain. All your greasing points and that are easily accessible. This machine came with 3 buckets and a hook and a half hitch, mechanical half hitch, Oz buckets. Where would be better if it had a greasing point for that pin there. It doesn't have it, but everything else easy to get at. So yeah, this machine's got extra piping, as I've seen in the other video, to run a tilting bucket, half hitch, augers, hammer piping, all that sort of stuff. Flashing light on the roof. So yeah, I'll do the next video of the machine doing a bit of digging, and we'll see how we go with that. It's very good to drive. Very happy with it.